Hey guys, today we're making this yummy Bolo De Arroz muffin. It's a Portuguese muffin and it translates to rice cake. It's an easy recipe and comes out super delicious and soft. It has a lovely hint of lemon zest and it's so yummy. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, if you have any recipe suggestions for my next videos, then be sure to comment them down below. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding the softened butter to a bowl. And to that, you're going to add in your sugar and then cream this all together. Mix it until it's nice and light and fluffy and it's pale in color, like this. Once you reach that stage, then you can stop mixing. And then you're going to crack in your eggs one at a time and then beat well between each egg. Make sure you don't add all of the eggs in at once. And that's the final egg, and then just mix that all together. Once you're done mixing the eggs, then you're going to scrape down the sides of your bowl just to ensure that everything is well mixed in and give that one mix. Next, you're going to add in your sifted flour as well as the milk and vanilla. Now I've just mixed that both together and just add it into your bowl. And then beat this with your mixer until it's all well combined. It will be a thick batter, but don't worry, it's supposed to be this way. Once that's all mixed in, then you can add in your baking powder and lastly your lemon zest. And then just mix this all together. Once it's all mixed in, then make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now I'm using these big muffin cases, and this recipe makes about 12 muffins. Take a scoop and then scoop out your batter and then just scoop it into your muffin papers. Repeat with all your cases. Next, you're going to take a small bowl of oil and a teaspoon and just dip your teaspoon into the oil and then just make a cross shape into the batter. Dip it each time you make a line like this, just so that it cracks in the oven while it bakes. Next, you're going to sprinkle on a generous amount of sugar onto each one of them. Once that's done, then you can take this and bake it in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them, and once they're golden brown, then you can take them out and then let them cool down. And that's it. That's how you make this easy and delicious Bolo De Arroz muffin cake. It's super delicious and soft in the middle. And I'm sure it won't disappoint. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.